What's going on, y'all? Today is going to be a pretty quick video, I think. But this is more of a PSA type of video, a public service announcement type of video, and that is to any and all traders is who I'm talking to right now. Whether you are an options trader, whether you're you trade the stock market on a daily basis, whether you trade futures, you trade forex, it doesn't matter. Right now, if you are a trader, even crypto, um, right now, if you haven't noticed, if you haven't looked at the chart in a couple weeks, it is an insanely volatile time, and there is things happening on the charts that do not happen with normal market conditions. Right now, there's so many different factors going on, whether that's the wars that are happening, just the insane political and social environment that we're in right now. There is just so much volatility and so much craziness happening that is creating um, less than ideal market structure or price action PA, right? So if you guys know, I've recently switched over from forex to futures, and so I'm scaling down the time frames that I'm trading on. I'm not really as much of a swing trader anymore because it's a lot harder to be a swing trader in the futures space, especially with prop firms. So I'm more of an intraday trader now. At least that's what I've been going with for now. And yeah, price action has been a lot of this up and down, up and down, up and down, mainly sideways. Some days you might have a bullish movement, some days bearish movement. And then sometimes you're just going to have crazy, huge scam wicks up, scam wicks down. You might have a major leg up, a major leg down, and that doesn't even retrace. Like all crazy things, crazy trading scenarios are happening right now, um, that make it less than ideal to trade. Not saying that there is no setups, because there is setups. I've been catching setups. I've also been losing on setups that usually win. So my advice and my suggestion to you guys right now, specifically in this time period, it's the end of March right now. It's about to be April. I don't know how much longer the markets are going to be like this. Really depends on a lot of different factors. Depends what happens with this war. Depends on if anyone tweets anything crazy. There is a ton of factors. If you know, you know. Um, but I would suggest that you guys scale down how many, if you're trading futures, how many contracts you're trading. If you're trading forex, your lot sizes. Especially if you're a new trader, scale down right now. That is my suggestion. Scale down and wait for your A plus ideal setups. Do not, this is not the time to, you start to see the market rally and you're like, okay, boom, I'm just going to get in and see and hope for the best. Because right now, I mean, there is scam wicks happening like crazy. The market might make you think that your setup is starting to occur. You might be a little trigger happy because price action's been crazy. Ooh, I'm going to get in a little bit early and try and front run this trade. Bam, huge bearish candle, or even just a wick. Wicks you out, stop loss hit, boom, and then flies in your direction. I mean, all kinds of crazy things that happen are happening right now that are not happening in normal market conditions. So just be safe out there. That is my main message in this video. Trade safe out there. If you're a new trader, maybe even scale down your trading size to half. Like if you usually risk, I don't know what kind of accounts you guys trade, live account, funded account, it doesn't really matter. Um, say you on futures, right? For example, because that's what I trade right now. If you guys trade 10 contracts usually, right? Maybe scale down to 5 contracts or even less than that, even, and just look for your ideal setups. If you take a couple losses on the day, just cut your losses, cut the day, and do not try and make it back. Do not get in the revenge trading slash over trading um, mindset that it is super easy to get into, especially in times like this where the market is moving a lot of sideways and there's not clear direction in either direction. Clear direction either way, right? Bearish or bullish. So it's extremely tough conditions to trade in. Like I said, that this does not mean that you should just stop trading until everything is passed over and we're back to normal market conditions. That could take who knows how long. Literally, it could be another 6 months, could be another year. We don't know. Only the future will tell, how long all this is going to go on for. But I just suggest and recommend highly that you guys start scaling down, look for your A plus setups, risk half of what you usually do, right? And this is really going to help you out mentally in times like this where price action's trash. And save your trading a funded account, it's going to help you not blow that funded account. If you're trading a live account, it's going to help you not blow that live account or lose at least a big chunk of it. Now, if you're trading prop firms, if you're trying to you're trading an evaluation or funding challenge of some kind, you might be able to risk a little bit more because there's not as much weight to it. You can buy challenges and evals pretty cheaply. It all depends on how you run your business, right? So that is the essential message of what I wanted to give you guys today. Just please trade safe out there, lower the risk a little bit, wait until ideal or at least more ideal market conditions to start taking more risk on, and maybe even trading multiple accounts at the same time, stuff like that. I would refrain from that for for a while until things are better. So I hope you guys got something good out of this video. I appreciate you guys watching it all the way through. If you did, I know it's a pretty short video, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and trade safe out there. Hope you guys are doing great. I would love to know how your trading journey is going so far. Would love to know how your March went. I know a lot of people had a tough time. For me, it was okay. That's what I'm gonna say. It was okay. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you guys have not already. Would love to comment any video ideas you guys might have as well. And I'll definitely take those into consideration. So appreciate you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.